Good morning, another beautiful day in Jamaica. Just doing a little hike with Coppy here, and we are off to get some lemongrass and soursop tea. So, bush tea on the menu. Whoa, is this all mashed up by a pig?
Yeah.
Whoa. Crazy. Here he is. Hey, piggy. You're making all kinds of mess down here, digging up everything. Coppy's a quick one. He's not always easy to keep up with, so gotta watch what I'm doing here.
Yeah.
Very stylish.
Mm.
Oh, this is for me?
Mm-hmm. Come on.
Alright.
Come, put on the camera. I got them.
Right here, these young ones are good.
They're good, man.
Okay.
They're ripe.
So is there anything special you're looking for when you cut them?
Mm-hmm.
Like any kind of leaf is okay?
No, man. No.
This right here?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Okay,
Put
so
them in the bag.
there's a leaf, soursop leaf. There you go. They obviously grow very tall.
Hmm?
They grow very tall, these trees. And this one's conveniently located very close to the yard. Yo, here's your knife.
No.
So yeah, it's pretty crazy fruit. You can eat the fruit, drink it as a juice, use the leaves for tea. It's supposedly an anti-cancer one. Mind your way. Anti-carcinogen, however you call it. You'll have to confirm the properties of that, but there's a lot growing around here. And actually I met Mokko's cousin the other day, Rasta Lee, who I had met years ago, but he ended up having a bunch of soursop that he was bringing for Dorette, so he gave me one too. And that might actually be ripe by now.
Come here, we're red again. Come on. We're red.
Raiding, reaping. Wow, it's so nice this morning. Whoa! These little goaties up here. Hey goats. Whoa. Where are you going, goatie? That is some serious goat. Wow. Okay. Coppy's gone like a bullet. So, got the soursop checked. And lemongrass, you say? Grapefruit. Okay, bonus. Ah. I didn't know we were doing grapefruit.
Oh?
Got some easy ones on the ground.
No.
Them no good?
Mm-mm. Only.
Okay.
Too much towards by the bean there.
Let me try to catch it. Ah! Wait for me. Wait for me for the next one.
You. Boom, boy. Yo. Yo.
Enough of that?
What is that? Yo, I'm not throwing here. I'm throwing here. You're not a fool this year. You're for her, no one.
tree looks insane. It's like you can hardly tell it's a grapefruit tree.
Come on.
Yeah. Boom. There's so many grapefruits that people don't even eat them. Just on the ground, mashed up. Yeah. You want me to catch?
Yeah.
Oh, dang. Okay, it's alright. Yeah, we got enough. I think we're good.
Mm-hmm.
That's plenty. Good stuff. Nice.
Jack that bush good for.
A little easier than coconuts. When you're in grapefruit trees, is there anything you have to watch for, like the red ants you get in the coconut tree sometimes? Or
Nope.
You got something on your head. Yeah. And they're pretty low too. They're not as crazy high like
I like coconut trees.
soursop or coconut. You get scratched up a bit though.
No. You need to go drop on surface, right?
Right. So where's the lemongrass grow?
On the roadside, they can't see that.
Ah.
Not enough dry. Just, alright, so you know, that's something hard to dry. Unless me have one amount of lemongrass here, man.
Morning, how you doing? Some knife skills.
Yeah. It's all good. Yeah, super good. So good, man.
You're different over here, I'm telling you.
Way better, more rich. It's like I had a banana today. I had two of them. It's so good.
They're so different.
They're
too.
like sweet and just like very good.
It's an amazing Jamaican grapefruit right here. Crazy sweet. It's by far the sweetest grapefruit you'll ever have. There's not even a hint of sourness to it. You want some grapefruit?
No.
It's recording already. Time for school. Have fun. Go learn for me. I'm so happy I'm not in school. I'm glad you enjoy it. So lemongrass now. Are there a lot of different kinds of lemongrass too? I've seen the ones at Peter's place and they look like a lot thicker. And the ones I've seen in Asia, they grow almost like a little, not quite bamboo, but they're rounder. They're not just like grass straight up. Whoa. Nice. So all lemongrass. That'll last you a long time. What?
Floor of Nashua.
You know what this one's called? Pretty. You want to pick some of that one up there? Morning. Hey guys.
I'm gonna show you some of this.
Coopy picked a ton of lemongrass. It's drying on zinc sheets at the yard already, so we're just gonna grab a little bit to show you what the plant looks like up close and how you harvest it. You know, obviously it's pretty simple. It's just a grass and you pick it, but I always like to see how it's done exactly. Sometimes there is a special technique, sometimes not. Wow. What a beautiful spot for it.
Wow.
Yeah, right here?
Yeah.
Wow. You gotta be careful you don't fall down the damn thing. I'm not a mountain goat. So, Coopy, is there any technique that you use? Do you pick it right from the bottom or the middle, or it doesn't even matter? You just rip some off, that's it. Okay. Alright, so chop it. Oh. Oh. It's a different smell, I swear. Everything here, it's somehow stronger, sweeter. Unreal.
Good, man.
Yeah. Blessed morning. It's got some nice lemongrass.
Yeah.
Yeah. Gregory.
Yeah, great.
Good to see you. What are you up to today?
Just chilling out. Just chilling out, man.
That's a good day.
Yeah, sir.
Jamaican style.
Yeah.
Nice. So we got a big piece of zinc, and Coopy pulled in the leaves just in case it rained last night. So here's the fresh ones. And yeah, it's a pretty easy leaf to tell just because of the shape. And when it dries up, it kind of gets flatter. And it's got the one line on it right up the middle. And then it's got the lines kind of coming off the side there on the diagonal. That's how I tell it anyway. Because the cinnamon leaf does kind of look similar. It's a similar kind of shape, but maybe a flatter leaf is a little easier to see. So that one, and yeah, you can see the diagonal veins running across. That's it. Enough soursop. That's a huge one. Yam? Yam?
For your dinner.
Oh, wow.
For your dinner.
Huge. Cool, thank you.
And I'm going to give you the potato for Mokko cook it for your dinner.
Nice sweet potato. Awesome.
Yeah.
Great. Coopy's all business right now, so I'll just go to the house, check out what the lemongrass looks like, dried. Let's check it out.
I did go and catch food. You take a couple of fish, bamboo fish and I think down. Yes, sir. How also?
It's all mixed up together. Soursop and lemongrass. That's not a good leaf. I'm trying to find a good leaf that shows. Oh, that's cinnamon.
Yeah.
Yeah, find it.
I found cinnamon. This bag's all mixed up.
They don't mean they in a blue bag.
Blue bag?
Grass, we take up your CD.
There's a blue bag, there's nothing in it. Come show me. But this is what I mean with the cinnamon. It can fool you because the shape is similar. And they will look the same when dried, but yeah, the cinnamon's a bit pointier and the veins run kind of more vertical on the cinnamon. So that's how I remember anyway. That bag's all mixed up. It's got like everything in it. I can't even tell what's in that.
See you grass down in there.
Well, it's fever grass, there's cerasee, there's cinnamon, there's like everything in it. I'm talking about the stuff you just dried the other day.
They lock up. They lock down.
Where?
You know my camp, brethren? You can't make the rain wet them up.
Yeah, I know.
You can't make the rain wet
I just want to see it though.
Where is it? Oh, yeah, so they left the stuff thing.
Ah, so it's staying inside for now because of weather. But woo, so nice still. It smells a little grassier when it's dry. Not as strong, but still nice. And then soursop. I guess it still needs some more time, but yeah, it dries up. Turns brown. You can see it kind of half dry on the other side there. But we're waiting for the sun to pop out before it goes and dries more. But anyway, I'm really working on trying to get some nice herbal organic teas in the store, so subscribe to our email list and keep in touch. It might take me a while, but that's what we're working on.